Hello friends, and welcome back to Naturally Sprigs. So today I'm making the Choco Cottage whip, and I'm just adding my ingredients. This is a very simple dessert to make. It's kind of like a mousse. Doesn't require any kind of baking or any special ingredients, just as long as you have a food processor or something similar to it, or if you are able to do it by hand, I wish you the best, but I'm going to use my food processor. And simply just, as you saw, just add all your ingredients in and just run your food processor. Periodically wipe down the sides and let it go. See? Doesn't that look amazing? So what I like to do is fill these little mason jars with my cottage whip and then store it in the refrigerator for a few days. That's if it lasts that long, because I do enjoy eating these in the evening. And what I'm doing here is I'm taking the last bit and I'm putting in another mason jar, but watch what I do with it. So I'm going to take one of these Trim Healthy Mama cuffins. You can get on their website. And I'm breaking it up. I'm just going to make this delightful little dessert. Oh, it's amazing. It's just amazing. And I'm just going to layer it up. Okay. Now I'm going to take the remaining. See? And just put the remaining of the cottage whip on top. Oh my gosh. Sorry, I'm not the best of artistes, but this tastes amazing. Take my word for it. Oh my gosh. I know you're thinking, cottage cheese, that sounds terrible, but believe me, this tastes amazing. Go ahead and give it a try. I know I will. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. Thanks for watching.